Welcome guys, what's up? It's your boy X is live. And by the power of Zeus,
oh, it is snowing.
It will kill.
I accidentally said that right when you were cutting. Oh well. There's actually somebody walking in this weather. Goodness gracious.
Could you see that in camera?
I did.
I'm gonna kind of just try to see if this works. I failed today.
The weather says no.
Yeah, the weather is not letting me.
Something came out there.
So these are going to be short videos. Can you see both hands?
Yes.
These are going to be short videos because it's like under freezing right outside right now. So I'm going to back up because I already know where this is going to go.
Didn't get on the camera. Oh wait. Yeah, no, it didn't.
I always pour right there where I'm standing.
Yeah, don't do that.
I know these videos are going to be short, especially for this week and next week. We might end up adding more to next week because Hidon Scythe, which is, you want to show them?
You can see it in camera.
Hidon Scythe is next week's project, which we're filming both on these because I've been lazy the past couple of weeks and haven't filmed when I made these. But and the fiance, since it's cold outside, doesn't want to film. So I kind of feel bad because I'm not just I'm trying to be a lot more safe.
He's far away.
Okay. Can I end on a good note? I can't.
Hi.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I will always be back with better videos. And if you want to keep up with my lovely fiance reading Evie, subscribe to her channel, follow us on TikTok, and let us know what the next project should be. Obviously, next week's will be Hidon Scythe. And I've actually got a bonus clip or bonus episode for that week. And I've actually kind of filmed the process of, just to kind of do something a little extra. If you want to see more stuff like that, or like how I make these like step by step, let me know, and I can also maybe add another video each week where it's like the process of me doing each one, each step going through. I don't really want to go into like going back to where I'm actually cutting everything and then like the process of that. But walking through and everything, it's not that bad because all the sparks. So, peace.